I have studied in LKG C-section. Shukla Madhadaram Vishnu Prasivarnam Chaturbhujam Prasannavallam Dhyaye Sarvavighnopa Shantaye Avajadana Padmatam Vajananam Maganisham Anekadantam Bhaktanam Ekadantam Mukasmahe Guruna Guru Vishnu Guru Deva Mahedharva Guru Sakshat Parambrahma Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha Saraswati Namasubhyam Bhagde Kamarupini Vidyarampam Karishyami Siddhi Bautameshana Padmapatra Shalakshi Padmakeshavarnani Nityam Padmalaya Devi Samam Patu Saraswati Sri Rama Rama Rameki Kame Ramane Sarasnavatapulyam Rama Rama